Mule deer. The mule deer, Otocoileus hemianus, is a species of deer native to western North America, known for its distinctive large ears, which resemble those of a mule. These deer are well adapted to a variety of environments, from deserts and grasslands to mountainous forests. They are most commonly found in regions like the Grand Canyon, where they graze on shrubs, grasses, and leaves. Unlike their close relatives, the white-tailed deer, mule deer have a unique bounding gait, known as stotting, where all four hoofs hit the ground at once, helping them navigate rocky terrain. During the fall, males grow large antlers, which they use for sparring during the mating season. Mule deer are an important part of the ecosystem, serving as prey for predators like mountain lions, coyotes, and bobcats, while also helping maintain plant growth through their grazing habits.